Ditch boring pancakes for two healthy keto versions, one with creamy avocado and another with cottage cheese, offering anything but a basic breakfast. Our first pancake, Mediterranean keto avocado with yogurt and fresh strawberry toppings. This avocado-based batter makes about 4 to 6 small pancakes, perfect for 2 servings. Each serving comes in around 360 calories, loaded with healthy fats and fiber to keep you full. For best result, make sure your batter isn't too runny or too thick. If it feels too loose, add a little more almond flour. If it's too thick, just mix in a splash of milk. And keep your heat at medium. Too hot and they will burn before cooking through. Okay, let's move on to the second pancake, cottage cheese with berry compote. The cottage cheese version also makes 4 to 6 small pancakes. Again, 2 servings. Each serving is about 330 calories with high protein and a soft, cheesy texture. Now let's talk toppings. Both of these are great on their own, but here are a few keto-friendly ways to take them up a notch. Crumble on some feta cheese for a salty Mediterranean head. Add a light drizzle of sugar-free balsamic glaze, or top with sliced cherry tomatoes and fresh herbs, or just mix and match based on your mood. They're super versatile and packed with flavor. If one-pan wonders are your thing, hit like and subscribe. I specialize in bold Mediterranean flavors with less mess and more taste. Perfect for healthy, no-fuss cooking for seniors, busy individuals, and beginners. I have something cooking here every week, actually every day. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next episode. If you're still hungry for more, check out my other videos. Stay healthy and take care.
Thank you.